Welcome to Hanon Investments. Today we are going over Kucoin KYC. Kucoin is a Seychelles-based crypto exchange, and it has one of the lowest trading fees around. In terms of trading volume, on CoinMarketCap, it is ranked number 4 in the world. With a broad range of cryptos to trade, it is one of my favorite crypto exchanges. They have more than 700 cryptos to trade. On top of the great low fees, Kucoin offers 20% discount on trading fees when you hold their own token, KCS. With Kucoin Lend, you can lend your crypto for 7 to 28 days. You just set the daily interest rate and Kucoin does the rest. You can take a look at what others are charging to determine what to charge yourself. If you don't want to lend, you can stake on Kucoin with very competitive rates. Remember, with any crypto exchange, use common sense. Don't put all your coins on one exchange. Kucoin is filled with so many features such as spot, margin, and futures trading. And best of all, until now, no KYC with limited deposit and withdrawal restrictions. Starting on July 15, new users must complete KYC to use Kucoin. In the same manner, current users of Kucoin will have many futures curtailed until they complete KYC. Basically, to trade on Kucoin after July 15, you must KYC. Another great crypto exchange that is probably being forced. Some alternatives for no KYC exchanges are BitGet and Prime XBT. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe to support our work.